Hey folks, today I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to change your profile picture as well as your display name on Zoom so that you can make sure that you've got exactly the display name you want and the picture you want. Your company or your school might have set it differently, and it's really important to know how to change it so that everybody's using the correct name and the correct picture for you. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to zoom.us, and I have it opened up right here. Now, depending on how your Zoom is set up, you're going to go to sign in. Let me just kind of zoom this in so it's a little easier to see. You're going to hit sign in, and you might either have like a personal Zoom account with your email address and password, but what's a lot more common for companies is to use Google or SSO. If you're at Boston University, you're going to want to use SSO. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. And I'm going to put in our company's domain name, and that's bostonu.zoom.us. So let's hit continue, and I'm going to log in using the login screen. So here, it's going to take me to all my meetings. But what I'm actually going to do is, I'm just going to zoom in just to make this a little easier to see. Right up here under profile, let's click that. And let's take a look at what we've got here. Now mine's actually pretty well filled out here because I've already gone in and set my profile picture and my display name. But if you wanted to change your profile picture, all you have to do is hit change, and it will allow you to upload a new picture and show different crops as well. Hit save, and that will update the picture. The next thing that you can do, and it doesn't look like you can do it here based on what you're seeing here, but the next thing you can do is actually change your name and some of the things that display here. And you can do this by going to edit to the right here. So let's hit edit. And now you can see my first name, last name, and display name are all different. So here, if I wanted to say use a different name than what my company has given me, for example, maybe I go by Ash, I could do Ash and then in parentheses, Ashley, under my display name. That helps people understand what they should call me. The other thing that I would recommend is adding your pronouns here. So I'm just going to do a dash here and then do she, her, hers. And that helps everybody at your company understand what your preferred pronouns are. This is a really great, easy, and inclusive action to take. So go ahead and save changes. You'll also notice that you can put in a location here. I'm going to put in Boston, Mass, save changes, and now that's saved. And it's easy as that. That's all you have to do to set your Zoom info up. So again, for my classes, I don't require camera use, but I do ask that you provide a picture of yourself just so that I have a name to connect a face to and that I can feel a little more connected to you, even though we're in different spaces. So with that, I hope that helps, and I'll see you later.